Hello, what is up everybody? If you're new here, my name is Linnea and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, and we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So, if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thanks for being here. And if you're not new here, welcome back. This video, I'm sorry Jane, I know you specifically asked for a garden tour. It's raining. Poor timing, really poor timing. So instead of that's gonna be this weekend. I'll do it this weekend. I don't think it's supposed to rain this weekend, so that's coming Tuesday. But anyway, since the 4th of July is coming, since it is summer, I figured I would make a classic Midwestern county fair staple of a drink, and that would be a lemon shake-up. It's basically lemonade, but a little, you don't use simple syrup, and you shake it. And you can get this at county fairs, state fairs, all the things. I love a good county fair. I love them. I love them so much. But anyway, let's just, enough yapping. All you need for this recipe: a lemon, you need sugar, water, ice, and a quart jar. That's it. So let's just make this lemon shake up. So let's do it. Also, because we are using the entire lemon, all of it, wash it. We are gonna cut the lemon into quarters. Simple. Gonna take our quart jar. Simple. Now, this is kind of a lot of sugar, but you know what? This is a lemon shake-up. We're gonna take a 1/4 cup of white sugar and pour it in. Now, it's a lot, but we're going for it. Now, I do not have a muddler. I'm gonna use the back of like a spoon. What it looks like. I'm gonna put ice and water up to about here. I'll be back. Right. I'm back. I'm back. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put a lid on it. And I'm gonna make sure the lid is tight. There you go. There you have it. You have a lemon shake-up. That's it. That's it. Let me grab a straw and let me try it. Hello?
Hello.
He's been Colin.
It's really good.
What did you just say?
I said it's like a lemonade, but it's not sweet.
Which is weird because there's a whole 1/4 cup of sugar in it. But it is a big quart jar.
You taste it.
I did. It's good.
Yeah.
I like it. It's like really, you know what it reminds me of? Those, which no one will actually get. Calvin, buddy?
Squeak. Squeak.
You know, at Silver City, when you could get those, like, lemon freezy things, that's what it reminds me of, but it's not a slush.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
It's not the most lemony thing, but it's good. that all you have to say?
Yeah, I mean, I just want to drink all of it because it's a bunch of sugar, and I'll be like bouncing out the walls.
Well, you know, it's a nice, refreshing summer drink. Okay, well, Jonathan doesn't have anything else to say.
No.
Okay, bye.
Good.
Okay, bye.